Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Hello dear students. Today in this video, in this particular module, we will be discussing about tax clearance certificate, popularly known as TCC. Now what is TCC? It is basically tax clearance certificate. So now let us discuss various provisions regarding tax clearance certificate. So dear students, first of all, you should be clear that what is TCC? Basically, tax clearance certificate is a proof. It is basically a proof that a particular person, a particular entity has paid all the taxes that were recoverable from that person, from that entity on a particular date, and now no pendency is there. So basically, as it very much clear from its name also that it is TCC, tax clearance certificate. It basically certifies that all the recoverable tax from a person, from an entity, has been cleared by, it has been cleared by that person or that entity. And obviously it will be issued only when all the taxes have been paid in full. Now no pendency is there when all the taxes have been paid in full by the person or by the entity. Only in that case, after verifying that yes, everything has been paid, every penny of, every rupee of recoverable tax has really been recovered, only after that it will be issued to the to that person or to that entity. And even it is advisable, while purchasing some property, it is advisable that the buyer, the purchaser of the property, may insist, rather he should insist on the seller for obtaining such a certificate, as it will save him from some future hardship that may be there in future, in case some pendency was there. Similarly, in case, kindly note that in case some Indian person is there and he now, let us suppose he wants to leave India, he wants to leave the country and he wants to settle in some other country, he wants to immigrate, we may say, then in that case, Form 30C will be there, and it is basically issued by Chief Commissioner of Income Tax. So it should be noted, and it should be in prescribed form. Otherwise, if it is in simple paper, not in prescribed form, then in that case it will have no value. Grant of tax clearance certificate. In case, let us suppose the application in the prescribed format, as I have just told you, application is in the prescribed format, and each and everything is in order and everything is duly approved, then the certificate will be granted to the taxpayer, the person, in form number 33. So it should be noted. Now, what are the provisions certificate under section 230 of the Income Tax Act 1961 for persons not domiciled in India, but when they are leaving India. So kindly note, it is something you may say very carefully, it should be understood. In case, let us suppose a person is there who is not domiciled in India, but he has come to India for you may say some business purpose, for some professional purpose, for some employment, and who has derived some income in India. He or she is also required to obtain a TCC, tax clearing certificate, before leaving India. Kindly note, he or she was not domiciled in India. He has come to India for the purpose of some business, from some profession, some employment, or and from that some income has been derived by him or her in India. In that case, they can't leave India without obtaining this certificate, without obtaining the tax clearance certificate. And form number 31, form number 31 is needed to be submitted to the person. It is needed to be submitted to the person from whom such a person has received any income, etc. And that person who has made the payment to such person, who have come from outside India, then he will submit details in form 30A to the Chief Commissioner of Income Tax or Director General of Income Tax. Again, it should be remembered that in case the application is in order, the application is approved, then certificate in this regard will be granted in a particular form that is known as Form 30B. And this certificate is basically needed. What is the fun of getting this certificate? This certificate is needed in order to ensure that such person has duly paid all the taxes on the income earned by him in India from that business, profession, or employment, and now no recovery is pending against him, and he has already paid all the taxes due from them, recoverable from him or her. So only after that he or she is allowed to leave the country, leave India. So that is the main purpose of this certificate, that is to ensure that he has uh, paid all the dues, all the taxes have been recovered from that fellow before allowing him to leave the country. Again, kindly note, there are some circumstances that when TCC, tax clearance certificate, is basically not necessary, it is not compulsory. Now, what are those cases? Kindly note, in case kindly note that in case any person, again, he is not domiciled in India, but he is visiting India as a tourist, as a foreign tourist, or for any other purpose, but that purpose is not connected with business, profession, or employment, as we have just discussed in the previous provision. In that case, it was connected with business, profession, or employment, but in this case, the person who is not domiciled in India, he is visiting India as a foreign tourist for any purpose other than these purposes, business, profession, or employment. Then in that case, that person in that case that person doesn't need to obtain the TCC, the tax clearance certificate, from the taxation authorities. So this was all as far as TCC is concerned. As far as tax clearance certificate is concerned, it is basically a very small topic. It is basically a very small topic. So I think various provisions relating to TCC have been discussed in this small video. Okay then. Okay. Thank you, students. Thank you. Thank you very much.